Next, we will hear company pitch from Golomt Bank. Please welcome Mrs. Batkhorloo, Head of Investor Relations at Golomt Bank JSC. Mrs. Batkhorloo leads the bank's investors' relations efforts, strengthening transparency and ensuring strong engagement with stakeholders across global markets. Golomt Bank has been a pillar of Mongolia's socioeconomic development since 1995, and serving as a systematically important institution and acting as a catalyst for sustained financial progress. It has now become the second largest bank in Mongolia by assets, with a well-balanced presence across retail, corporate, and SME segments. The bank has played a critical role in advancing financial services and supporting the country's evolving economic landscape. Let's welcome Mrs. Batkhorloo to the stage.
Good day to you all. My name is Batkhorloo. I'm head of IR at Golomt Bank, and I remember last year doing a presentation here, and I see many new faces here. So I'm going to start off with a brief introduction of the bank. So the Golomt Bank is one of Mongolia's leading commercial banks since 1995. As Mongolia transitioned into a market economy, Golomt Bank has helped build the financial infrastructure that supports businesses, individuals, and SMEs. Now we serve 1/3 of total population of Mongolia, and we have 107 branch networks nationwide, and we are known for our largest digital wallet. So Golomt Bank is expanding very rapidly. Today, the bank is the largest corporate bank, second largest retail bank. We have established a very good start to our international and domestic capital market presence, and our total assets amount to 4.2 billion USD. We have a NIM of 5.2% and return on equity at 28% as of 2025 half-year review. And we are successfully expanding our global presence and have issued our debut bond in 2024, which is listed on the Singapore Stock Exchange. And after then, our ESG bonds have been listed in Luxembourg. And now we have more than 80 fixed income investors globally. And as a testament of this achievement, we have been awarded the Best Frontier Markets Deal of 2024 by the IFR Asia Awards. And we are also listed on the Mongolian Stock Exchange since 2022. And now Golomt Bank has over 21,000 retail investors, equity investors. So we are successfully expanding our global presence, and we are currently working with over 300 international banks and working with the broadest numbers of impact funds and global development finance institutions. We are rated B1 stable by Moody's, B+ positive by S&P, and B+ stable by Fitch. So we have reached this level thanks to our years of work before the IPO. Before the IPO, Golomt Bank has worked hard on delivering good financial health and promote the highest profitability. So post-IPO and as of today, we have one of the best asset quality as well as highest profitability in the Mongolian largest banks. We have a quite diverse and balanced portfolio in SME, retail, mortgage, and corporate segments. And it's with this diversification, thanks to this diversification, we have been able to maintain such good asset quality and profitability. And furthermore, we have the highest growth potential throughout all of the segments. So for retail, we have been rapidly growing through the rural areas of Mongolia, thanks to the demand of both traditional and digital banking in the rural areas. So our rural area expansion has doubled thanks to our digital banking base, as well as new openings of physical branches throughout the key developmental areas of the Mongolian vast steppes. So today we have 36 rural area branches and 71 branches in Ulaanbaatar city, and we have much further growth potential to bank the rural area population of Mongolia. So secondly, Mongolia has a very young population with 67% of total population under the age of 40. And this country has good coverage of smartphones and digital usage. And for Golomt Bank, we cover 1.2 million customers, or more than 30% of the Mongolian population. That largely reflects the population pyramid. And Golomt Bank is a lifetime bank. We offer products from newborn babies to elementary school, through high school students, to university students, and into adulthood. adulthood, and into wealth management and pension products. And Golomt Bank, we also are a family bank. We offer the most diverse type of products, from mortgage to leasing products. And in Mongolia, the birth rate is 2.7 births per woman, which is quite high comparing to 2.1 birth rate throughout the Asian countries. And our bank has the full infrastructure and the know-how to grow our customer base throughout the nation's population. So moving on to corporate, with our 30 years of experience in the corporate banking segment, Golomt Bank has managed to bank 90 out of the 100 top companies in Mongolia, and we have a very unique corporate banking etiquette and offer various types of services to our clients. We are well known for our landmark financial management convention, Financial Managers Convention, a major annual event that gathers Mongolia's top enterprises to share insights and strategies, reaching 1,000 financial managers through the span of 6 years. So we see broad levels of growth potential in the corporate segment through Mongolia's diverse growth directions and the biggest infrastructure projects as well. So moving on to the SME segment, about 97% of active enterprises in Mongolia are SMEs. Among micro businesses, 60% of SMEs are women SMEs. So in this regard, Golomt Bank has strategically focused on building stronger SMEs in synergy with the corporate segments. So Golomt Bank is proud to be the first in Mongolia and among the pioneers in Asia to introduce the woman-owned trademark. We've actively shared our experience both locally and internationally with countries like the Philippines, Indonesia, Bangladesh, and Cambodia. And in collaboration with leading Mongolian enterprises, we've launched a transformative mentorship and advisory program aimed at elevating emerging businesses. So this initiative connects founders and executives with SME leaders, offering hands-on guidance for the strategic insights supported by the professionals from corporate segments all over Mongolia. So beyond empowering and funding woman-owned businesses, Golomt Bank itself is a woman-led bank. So 42% of our top executive management is women, and 68% of our middle management is also women. So let's look into how Golomt Bank is leading Mongolia's digital revolution. So at the heart of our transformation is Social Pay, Mongolia's most widely used digital wallet, with over 500,000 downloads on Google Play. It's also the first Mongolian wallet to support international payments via UnionPay and accepted in over 50 countries. So today, 93% of our transactions are conducted through online, a clear reflection of our commitment to digital banking. And we have actively increased our digital banking customer base and has been very successful. Today, our total digital clients have reached almost 1 million customers, and we see there's threefold room to grow in the digital banking industry. So Golomt Bank is proud to be at the forefront of the digital innovation in Mongolia, and as part of our strategic transformation, we are now entering the next frontier, AI-powered virtual banking. So our AI virtual banking project is designed to enhance customer experience and streamline our operations. So let me walk you through quickly through the key components of this initiative. So we have started 5 key AI services, both internally and customer-centric. So customer-directed AI services would be AI chatbot, AI branch assistant, AI sales engine, and employee-directed AI tools are being developed, such as virtual employee and internal chatbot. We've partnered with Igune AI, Mongolia's leading artificial intelligence company, to co-develop our AI platform. And this collaboration opens doors to broader technology projects and ecosystem integration. So Golomt Bank is expanding through all of Mongolia's economic sectors and all key segments, and we have focused on establishing a good set of standards for the sustainable reporting, working with JP Morgan, MUFG, and S&P Global Ratings and PCAF for assessing and calculating our GHG emissions and sustainable loan portfolio. We have direct funding from 11 impact funds with a total of 142 million USD in green and sustainable funding, and we we've been appointed as the Water Ambassador Bank and work to fund sustainable water management projects. And I'm proud to share that our total green portfolio has reached 390 billion MNT, and this is an achievement that has created over 4,700 jobs and added approximately 100 billion MNT in value to the economy. So over the past 2 years, Golomt Bank has laid a strong foundation for sustainable financing. So this groundwork has played a key role in securing funding of 160 million USD from the International Finance Corporation through a syndicate loan of Proparco and Blue Orchard. And soon we'll be signing a new funding agreement with the EBRD as well. So looking ahead, looking from these fundings, the bank is defining its midterm strategic focus to support green and blue economy initiatives, micro and SME businesses, as well as businesses led by women and youth. So these priorities reflect our commitment to inclusive growth and environmental stewardship. So Golomt Bank remains dedicated to growing alongside the Mongolian economy, driving growth, sustainability, innovation, and opportunity to all. So last but not least, I want to quickly touch on our investor relations function, which we are pouring our best efforts in. The bank has worked with external advisory firm CMM and conducted assessment with investors, conducted internal workshop for the management team to better our stakeholder engagement. Now we are conducting quarterly earnings call and publish our IR calendar on our website. We publish MD&A report, CO letter to shareholders, and we organize analyst days as well as private group and one-on-one meetings with our investors, and consistently send out monthly investor newsletters and conduct Q&A sessions with our management team through physical and online meetings. So we hope to provide our investors very timely information aligned with the best practices with our best efforts, and we hope you put your trust in Golomt Bank. So thank you for listening to our pitch.